Vasudha. Now today I am going to discuss very important topic, ammeter. Look here now. What is the ammeter? First I discuss yesterday I discuss MCG. MCG means moving coil galvanometer. This is the coil. Here this is the Harshaw magnet. Harshaw magnet means curved shafted magnets. This is north pole. This is south pole. Okay. In the situation, this coil is suspended by using torsion head. Okay. Current carrying coil placed in the magnetic field. This coil is rotate. For example, here high currents passing through the galvanometer. High currents passing through the galvanometer. This coil is more rotated. Its meaning the wire is more twisted. Because of twisting of wire, more twisting of wire, this will be here. Because of more twisting of wire, here this wire breaks. Simply this wire breaks. Because of more twisting of wire, this wire breaks. Simply called as when high currents passing through the galvanometer may be damaged. So that's why to protect the galvanometer, this galvanometer converted into ammeter. Okay. For example, this is the galvanometer. What is the galvanometer resistance? G. Okay. What is the resistance of the galvanometer? G. Here this will be high currents passing through the galvanometer. It may be damaged. So here a very low resistance. This low resistance denoted by S. Very low resistance compared to galvanometer resistance is connected parallel to the galvanometer. Okay. This low resistance is nothing but the shunt. Once again I repeat, a very low resistance connected parallel to the galvanometer. This very low resistance is called as shunt. What is the use of shunt, Nana? To protect the galvanometer. What is the shunt? Shunt is a very low resistance connected parallel to the galvanometer. Okay. This total arrangement is called as ammeter. Total arrangement is called as ammeter. Here total current passing through the ammeter is I. Here what is the I? Current passing through the ammeter. In the situation here I split into two parts in this point. Current passing through the galvanometer is IC. IS means current passing through the shunt. Here it will be low resistance. Its meaning is low opposition. That's why heavy currents passing through the shunt, low currents passing through the galvanometer. So galvanometer is now protected from high currents. This total arrangement is called ammeter. What is the use of ammeter? To measure the current. Galvanometer is a sensitive instrument. When passing high currents, it will be damaged. So that's why a low resistance connected parallel to the galvanometer. This total combination is called as ammeter. Okay. How do you convert galvanometer to ammeter? Okay, galvanometer is converted low resistance in parallel. This total arrangement is called ammeter. Here, this is the galvanometer. Okay, this is low resistance. This low resistance is called shunt. Here, carrying a current I. Here, current passing through galvanometer IZ. Here, current passing through the shunt is IS. Okay? Here none. Here, first question. What is the total resistance in the ammeter? Total resistance. What is the total resistance in ammeter? Here in the ammeter, how many resistance are there? Two resistance are there. One is galvanometer resistance, other one is shunt. Both are connected in parallel, so that's why. Okay, what is the parallel combination formula? R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Here, what is the R1? G. What is the another one? S. G into S by here R1 plus R2, simply G plus S. What is the total resistance in the ammeter? G S by G plus S. What is the total resistance in the ammeter? G S by G plus S. Okay, this is the total resistance in the ammeter. Okay, next Nana. Here, look here Nana. Ammeter. This is the galvanometer Nana. Galvanometer resistance is G. Here, low resistance connected parallel to the galvanometer. This low resistance is called shunt. Here, I be the total current passing through the circuit nana. Here it will be divide IZ IS. According to this situation, what is the I value? IZ plus IS. Equation number 1. Okay. Here nana G and S parallel. In the parallel combination, which will be constant voltage. Voltage on the galvanometer equal to voltage on the shunt. Ohm's law. V equal to IR. IZ into G. Vs. Is into S. Okay. Once again Ohm's law. V equal to IR. Iz into G. Is into S. In the situation, here Is value here right nana. Right side Is is right as according to equation 1 I minus Iz into S. Left side Iz into G. Okay. Here look here. In the last step here Iz into G equal to I minus inside multiply I into S minus Iz into S. Iz lన్ని one side nana. Look here, minus other side plus nana. What is the final expression? Iz into G plus S equal to I into S. Okay. Here, what is the final expression? Iz equal to, look here nana, I into S by G plus S. According to this formula, here Iz is called current passing through the galvanometer. Once again I repeat, here Iz formula. Iz means current passing through the galvanometer. I is total current in the ammeter. S is called shunt resistance. G is called galvanometer resistance. Important formula nana. Equation number 2. Next nana, sorry nana, this is right equation. This is right equation number 2. This is right equation number 3. Similarly, I write current passing through the shunt. IZ unte ida S vastadi nana. IS unte I into G by G plus S. Okay. This is the formula for current passing through the shunt. Okay. Next nana I discuss last formula I derive nana. What is the equation 1? Look here. Iz into G equal to I minus Iz into S according to equation 2. In the situation, what is the formula for S? IZG. Here numerator other side, denominator I minus Iz. Here denominator nana S equal to G by I by Iz minus Iz by Iz equal to 1. Here this is the final expression nana. Look here. According to this situation, S equal to G by, okay. Here I by Iz is called here N nana minus 1. Here this is the very important formula nana. Here I by Iz write as N. Here N is called range of ammeter nana. Once again I repeat, what is the formula for shunt nana? G by N minus 1. This is the equation number 5. Here N equal to I by Iz. Okay. Here N is called as range of ammeter. Once again I repeat, N is called range of ammeter. Generally, current passing through the galvanometer Iz. Because of shunt connected, total current passing through the ammeter is I. Here, actually, current passing through the galvanometer Iz, because of shunting, current increases n times in the ammeter. So that means here more currents are measured. How many times increase? N times. Here N is called range of ammeter. What is the formula for range of ammeter? I by Iz. Only galvanometer enta measure chestadi Iz. Because of shunt connected, current increases how many times? N times. That means more currents also measured by using ammeter. Here current increases n times. What is the formula for shunt nana? G by N minus 1. Here what is the N value? I by Iz minus 1. Here current passing through the galvanometer Iz, current equal to N into Iz. Simply N times increases. Okay. This is the very important concept nana. It is very useful to solve the problems. Fifth equation is this is